Hello my dear students, welcome back to another zoology video lecture from genetics. Today I am going to explain you an interesting topic, that is sex-linked genes. My dear students, the genes that are present on sex chromosomes like X or Y. So the genes that are present on X chromosome or Y chromosomes are simply called as sex-linked genes. So these genes can inherit by the sex chromosomes or allosomes. So the genes that are present on X chromosome whose allele is absent in Y chromosome, because this is a pair, no, this is a pair. If the gene is present in one side and its allele should be in another, but the genes that is present on X chromosome and whose allele is absent in Y chromosomes are called as X-linked genes. X-linked genes. Generally, X-linked genes alleles in male hemizygous, because in male XY condition there, so always it is hemizygous only. Hemizygous. But in female, it may be in female what? The gene is present here, whose allele will be here and will be here. It may be same, homozygous, may be different. So heterozygous. So X-linked genes means the genes that are present on X and whose allele is absent in Y. In the same way, Y-linked genes, the genes which are present on Y chromosome whose allele is absent in X chromosome, known as Y-linked genes. Y-linked genes are otherwise called as holondric genes. Holondric genes. Right. So these X-linked genes and Y-linked genes do not undergo crossing over during meiosis. Remember, they never crossing over, they never pair. And there are some regions in X and Y chromosomes which is called a pseudo-autosomal region, homologous regions, where the genes are present, same genes are present whose undergo crossing over during meiosis. So that genes are known as XY genes, XY linked genes, XY linked genes. My dear students, X-linked genes are present on X but whose allele is absent in Y. Y-linked genes are, the genes are present on Y whose allele is absent in X. But sometimes some homologous regions of X and Y which are having the same genes, which are known as XY linked genes, which can pair, which can crossing over during meiosis, which are known as XY linked genes. So this is regarding sex linked genes. Thank you very much.